Welcome back to Drone Action Channel, where all the action happens. I teach you all about drones. We got another unboxing today. This is the ZEN Mini, one of my favorites. It's a nice hard case box, so it's very solid. Throw it around, do what you want with it. Works very good protecting it. So in the unboxing, we get in the kit. Of course, we get the drone. So this drone is beautiful little drone. I love this little drone. It's got an optical flow sensor, 4K camera, which is adjusted from the controller while you're in line. So it'll go 90 degrees straight down or straight forward. It's very good quality. It doesn't feel plasticky and yucky. It's got a little bit of weight to it, and it's got very good arms on it. They click, see, and then they lock into spot. So as they come out, they click, lock into spot. Got your landing feet at the front, click, lock into spot, and click, lock the spot. And where they don't move, you know, if you're really giving it a hard time or everything else. Oh, turned it on, I'll turn it off. So yeah, but if you do crash, it'll just pop. So it'll take the absorber, won't break the arm off. Then on the battery, comes with one battery. So there's the battery. It is a 3.7 volt, 1800 milliamp. So it's a single cell battery. See it there. Charge. We'll get the charger cable out. So we'll put that there for a minute. So in our bag of goodies, we will also get some spare propellers, charger cable, some propeller guards, if you want to use propeller guards, and a little screwdriver for changing the props, like in pretty much all of them. Then we get the controller, pretty good little controller. It's got a nice feel to it. We'll go over that in a second. And then we get the instruction manuals. So for that, and here, and you've got the foam insert, say to protect everything, stop it from moving around. Put that down there for a minute. Come back over here. Put that down there too. Run back to there. Just go get your phone. Hang on a sec, guys. Okay, I'm back. Forgot the important bit. Boom. So, on the controller, flips open like so, like all of them, and then, you know, if you want, it's very sturdy. Put the phone in there, it holds it really well. It's actually quite nice. It gives it a good feel in the hand, and you can really view it well on your in there. So I like that design. You got a little LED display on the actual controller, which is very cool. So it does have telemetry, so the drone does talk back to the controller. It'll give you the transmitter battery, it'll give you the drone battery, what's left in it, how far away it is from you, its height, how many GPS signal, how many GPSs it has, and where it's flying. So yeah, it's a pretty good little display for this drone. And then you have the other buttons where you have here return to home, because it is a GPS drone, so it will come direct home. And then you have your altitude hold, headless mode, compass calibration, and optical sensor turning off, okay? Power button, and then on the top here we have video take, we have our speeds, so it has 2 speeds, and then you have picture take here, and then this is for your camera up and down, which we'll show you. So with the battery, it's the same as all of them pretty much. They got the little USB part there, and then we just plug that in, into your phone charger or your computer. It'll charge away, and then it'll let you let you know when the light goes out or changes green that the battery's charged. So you get all that goodies there. So then we'll just turn that off for a sec. The battery, the little prongs for the power go to the top. The drone just slides in like so. Also the cool feature, it's got a lock. See, pops in. Now it can't fall out. So if you have a good hard crash or something, it won't bounce out and lose it. And then, as I said before, you got optical flow sensor here, and then you have 4K camera here, which is adjusted by the remote control. So for getting it up and ready, plus it connects to your phone through an app. So of course you've got all your instructions. You can go through, it tells you everything pretty much we're going to go over. This is just the unboxing. We'll do the flight test next, so we'll go over everything a bit more in depth in the flight test. Because it's GPS, it has follow me, has track mode, waypoint mode, orbit mode. So it has all the good modes because it is a GPS drone. And with the altitude hold and the GPS, it's just rock solid, doesn't move at all. So we start off, we'll turn the drone on, hold the long beep. Alright, so the light's flashing, then we turn this on. Okay, so now to do a gyro calibration, it's both sticks to the right. Okay, oh sorry, to lock it in, forward, backward. Boom, beep, now we're bound. Okay, so both sticks to the right, see it flashing. Let it go, now the gyro's done. But now we're going to do the compass. So to do the compass calibration, we just push this once and see it's flashing funny. See? So now we're going to do 3 rotations this way. And you'll hear a beep. There you go. Now we go camera up and we do 3 rotations this way until you hear another beep. There you go. So now it's ready to go. It's still flashing like that because it's waiting for GPS signal. Because we're inside, we don't have any GPS signal. If you hold this button down, this button down, push it once, it will give you headless mode. Hold it down for a beep, that will turn the optical sensor off. Okay? And then you hold it down again for a beep, will turn the optical flow sensor, I should say, back on. So that's the cool part about that. Then the app that you need to download, because let's say it goes to your Wi-Fi, to your smartphone, like all of them. If you go into your instructions, you can scan the app, as you can see there, or you can just go to the Google Play Store and download it. And the name, where's the name of the app? Please install, download the mobile corresponding website. Alright, what we'll do is we'll scan it and that will give us the name of the app. So go into here, get our barcode, and we are Android, Google, Australia. Yes, opening Google Play Store. So FPV Go is the name of the app. See, FPV Go. So we hit install. Wait for that to download for a second. The actual app itself's got a lot of functions inside it. So you got GPS tracking, surround, which is your orbit, home, visual identity as well. So you hold it, push the button, it'll take a picture of you, and then you can use gesture mode. So gesture mode, take a picture, you can do the take a video, and it will take a video as well while it's sitting there waiting for you. So it does very good selfies because it's very stable. we did the gyro, we did the compass, everything else. So these will just move over here for a minute. So to practice it, on the app you have auto landing, auto takeoff, but on the controller you don't. You just find the motors like so. And then you can just accelerate them. I'll reprime the motors, both out. Well, let me go off. Because I got to turn off GPS. So I have to hold this one down. Alright, so now, still won't take off. Pushing the wrong button. Now you can see how stable that is. That's with no GPS, no nothing. Just sitting there doing what it wants to do. Working off its own little barometer. Optical sensor with no GPS. So it's such a stable drone. I love it. You can do whatever you want with it. It flies around so well. As you can see, straight out. You just sit there. When you go hard right, hard left, hard forward, you'll come over. Just come back now. Put it back on the table. Hold the stick down. Switches off. So yeah, see how stable that is. It's amazing how stable it is. And it handles the wind really, really well. So we're still just waiting for the app to download. We're waiting. I'm back now. Finally downloaded. Took forever. So we'll turn the drone back on. Turn the remote back on. Bind the remote. So now we're good there. So there's the app, FPV Go. Okay. Then we hit open. Allow, allow, allow. So it comes out like this. So first of all, as always, we have to go to our Wi-Fi settings, and we have to connect to the drone. And there's the drone there, an M8 5G 4K. So we connect to that. There we go. Connected, no internet. That's what we want. So then we go back. Yes, stay connected. There's our app. Alright, so we start flight. And then this just tells you all the different things that you can do to be aware of. Please take care of safety. Yes, okay. So then there's your app with all the different things you've got on it. So you've got all your GPSs, you've got your longitudes, latitudes, you've got a distance away from home, you've got battery voltage, both drone on there, and receiver, and then you have your camera, your video here. So video is recording now. So if we bring it around out here, you'll see what's out there. So there it all is recording. And then it's not a great backdrop, but it's quite nice to wake up to every morning. Alright. And then the other one, we stop recording now. Then you can take a picture. Picture. And then that's when you got your goggles. You can flip the screen when you want to flip the screen. As I say, this is mostly just unboxings we're doing, so we'll go right over all the programs and everything properly. When we do our flight tests, we'll show you how to do everything 100%. You know, like you got your waypoints. You want to do Then you've got your auto takeoff, okay, and then you've got orbit mode, return to home. Do you want to turn off the mode directly? Submit, yeah. Okay. And then of course when you go to Google, push this and it'll give you Google Maps. So once it's got GPS, it'll show up on the maps properly exactly where you are and where the drone is. And you've got optical zoom, so up to 50%. So to zoom in, you just use your finger, zooming in, zooming out. So you zoomed all the way in, all the way out, okay? Or you've got the slider on the side, okay, there. So that's pretty much for the app and how it works. Well, say just a rough one. Once we go into all the flight tests, it'll be shown exactly, and we'll show you all the follow me orbits, waypoints, and we'll do all that perfect. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button below us, keep coming back, because every day we'll be having new videos and lots of flight tests, lots more unboxings. We've got about 50 drones to go over, and we're getting more and more in every week. So stay tuned, and if you want to buy any of them, ActionDrones.com.au or on eBay, but we sell them all on our website, ActionDrones.com.au. Look forward to seeing you again. Have a great day. Very stable this one. Love this little room. A little bit of indoor flying and show you guys what it looks like until we get to the outdoor new flight. It's very stable. Landed. That's how easy it is. Beautiful, this one.